Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Lucky Charms bread. This recipe is ultra fun to make with the kids. It actually uses Lucky Charms cereal. And in lieu of St. Patty's Day right around the corner, what a perfect way and time to make bread. The Lucky recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below. Subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Click the notification bell, hit the like button, and join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Ding! We do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. Ding! Let's get ready to make this Lucky Charms bread.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydream.